Good day everyone. Today we have Atlas COPCO GL11 FF. It's 11 kilowatt screw air compressor with integrated air dryer. This compressor is up to 7.5 bars, made in 2003. Very interesting fact about this machine is that it's a direct drive screw air compressor, and this air end actually is from this series of Atlas COPCO is built in 11 to up to 22 kilowatts. So it's kind of big and delivers so much airflow that it's sometimes it's unbelievable. There is no other compressor from this power that can deliver so much airflow. So this is a Siemens 11 kilowatts electric motor, and this is integrated air dryer. This is a compressor fan. This is another great feature for this compressor because it's a direct cooling air system. All the major services have been done on this compressor. Also A and B replaced, air filter, oil filter, separator, oil, A and B services, which includes service of, let me see, yeah, intake valve and combined valve, minimum pressure valve. So this is generally very good condition screw compressors with 30,000 hours on the load. So let's test this machine. It's connected to 750 liters screw air tank. So I will start the compressor and see how fast it builds pressure. Pay attention. Bars, 3.1. I don't know if you can see from the sunlight. 3.4, 3.5. The pressure limit is set to 7.3 bars, so let's check it. Dryer temperature also. It's interesting how you can open up without the covers this compressor, and it's still cooling and it's still working. It's such a powerful machine. 5.5 bars for this. I think it's cost just a minute. So I can't calculate exactly the airflow for this compressor, but I don't know. I think it's approximately around 2,000 liters per minute, because the air end is pretty massive and pretty big. It's just that that's the 7.5 bars. It's just impressive how fast and how good built these machines are. Let's release some pressure from the air receiver and fast it's going. That's 2 bars, you know, from 5.3 to 7.3. Works really amazing. Compressor is really dry. No oily. Everything works ready for you. Let's open up the valve. Is cooling down now, so don't miss the cycle. Thank you and good luck on your bits.